Hi everybody, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to sit down with you guys and film a clothing haul. I have not sat down and filmed in a minute. It's kind of crazy. But today's video is actually in collab with Princess Polly. You guys know how much I love my Princess Polly fam. They are always so sweet to me and they also just consistently have the best stuff, I feel like. But a bunch of the pieces I picked out are really just good, like ups to your wardrobe. I was feeling like kind of a little bored almost. I was feeling like I was kind of wearing the same things, so I kind of just wanted to like add some pieces. But when I was trying everything on, I literally loved every single thing. And I know I say this every time. I feel like this is probably one of my favorite hauls I've done with them. I feel like I just got a lot of good basics to have, as well as like good going out clothes. So if you're in college or like even coming into college or high school, or if you're an adult. I also have a discount code for you guys. I'll put it on the screen right here. It's mills20. So feel free to use that. Go shopping, go crazy. Princess Polly also offers free express shipping, which I believe is 2 days, I think, on all US orders over $50. And they also offer AfterPay to all US customers as well. Also, this video is going to be a try and haul, of course, so you guys can see how everything looks like on, because I got you. But yeah, I want to show you guys everything I got, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so first thing I got is actually what I'm wearing right now. You guys will be able to see it a little better in the try on in a couple of seconds. But it's this really beautiful white mock neck. This is so flattering. I feel like it just hugs all the right parts of your body, but it's also still comfortable at the same time. I feel like I usually hate bodysuits just because they're either like always too tight or just itchy or whatnot. But this one's so comfy and it's also so soft as well. I want to wear this so bad with like a cool high-waisted pair of light blue jeans and maybe some like white sneakers or something like that. And then also even maybe an oversized vintage bomber. I feel like that could look so good. But yeah, so cute and again, so comfy. Okay, so moving on to the next thing. It's kind of the same vibe almost. It's this white mock neck, but it has this really cool open back, which I think is just so sexy, but it's also still like modest because the front is like completely covered and it has like this kind of higher neckline. I've already worn it twice and both times I got so many compliments. It kind of reminds me of the Are You My one, but obviously way more affordable, and it literally looks identical. So a super great dupe for you guys. I think I also love this so much just because it's very like chill and casual for like going out clothes, but it's also like so sexy and so awesome in the back. It's almost like if you don't want to put in that much effort but you want to make it look like you put in effort, wear this. Okay, so next thing is this black bodysuit. Really love the neckline on this one just because it has this really nice lace material and then it has this really cute little bow in the middle of it, which I think makes it super nice and like a little bit sexy but not crazy. I feel like this would also just look so good with like your favorite pair of jeans and then black booties and like a cool oversized black leather jacket. I've been so into like the edgier but still like kind of girly outfits. I feel like that's how I describe my style. Edgy but girly, if that makes sense. Okay, so moving on to the next thing I got is this gorgeous red bodysuit. How pretty is this? I just think this is the coolest bodysuit. I feel like it's so flattering. It's a super stretchy, comfy material. Like everything. I feel like all their stuff is just really good quality. But yeah, this is so adorable and I'm so excited to wear it. Okay, so moving on to the same kind of vibe, I have another red bodysuit. I guess I was really feeling this red vibe when I was shopping, but I think the fabric on this bodysuit is so cool. It's see-through on the stomach area and obviously not on the boob area. And again, just perfect for going out. It also has these really nice adjustable straps so you can adjust it to your liking. And yeah, just amazing, classic, OG, can't go wrong with it. Great bodysuit. Camera just died, so if I moved around a little bit, that's why. But moving on to the next thing I got is this white lace crop top. I think if you are full sending it, going out, you want to pop off, you want to look amazing, this is the top you wear. This is seriously the most flattering top ever. When I first saw it, I was like, interesting, because it has like very like a see-through material and then obviously around the boob area it's not, but I was just like a little skeptical, I'm not gonna lie. But then when I tried it on, it's just so flattering. And I also love how it has these spaghetti straps. I just think it makes it even more flattering around like your collarbones and shoulders and stuff like that. It also does show off your stomach a little more, so if you're into that vibe, great. If you're not, you could also totally wear like higher waisted pants. I know if I'm going out, I never really tend to wear low rise pants. I just feel like it's not really my thing. I definitely prefer like a good high-waisted pair of jeans, or even like full send the pants too. Do it. go for it, shoot your shot. But yeah, I freaking love this, so cute. If you are in college or coming into college and you're like, what do I wear when I go out, you get this. I think it's so adorable. Okay, so next thing I got is this white long sleeve crop top. I feel like this top is perfect if you're going on one of those spring break trips to like Cabo or Florida or wherever you're going. I've never been on one, but I feel like if I were to go, this is totally what I would wear. I feel like this just screams summer or spring break or just anything tropical. It has this really cool back that you can lace up on your own, and it kind of goes into like this crisscross thing. So just like a super cute detail to add on to a basic white crop top. I want it to be warm so I can wear this. It's literally raining and almost snowing, I think, outside. I think it's supposed to snow later today. So I will be wearing this under 100 layers. Okay, so moving on to the comfier side, the next thing I got is this cropped basic hoodie. Super cute. I also love the color of this. I was actually going out with a bunch of my friends and it was freezing cold outside, and I feel like when you're cold and you're going out during the day, especially, I mean, at least for me, I just want to like be dressed warm. And a bunch of my friends were wearing really cute like crop jackets, so I saw this and I had to pick it up. Oh, also of course wearing this to class with sweats, sneakers, whatnot. I feel like this is just a good basic to have, and I don't surprisingly have any cropped hoodies. I don't know why, but this is really adorable and I love this. Okay, so those are all the clothes I got, but let's move on to accessories. So next thing I got is this adorable pink beanie. I love this. I've been loving neon beanies, especially now that it's colder in Indiana. I also love that it's this like neon pink color because I typically wear like very neutral colors, mainly like all black and stuff like that. So this neon pink beanie just like throws in like a little bit of color and just like a little bit of detail in your outfit. Next thing I got is this black belt. Surprisingly didn't have a black belt. I don't know how. I mean, I do have a black belt, but it always has like these designs or details on it or just like crazy hardware on it, so I just kind of wanted like a simple black one. Great basic. I feel like you can't go wrong with this. Okay, so next thing I got are these sunglasses that comes in actually this really cool case. What the glasses look like. How cute are these? Freaking love the shape of these, and I also just love how they're a little bit more oversized than usual. Oh, super cute. Can't go wrong with these. Okay, so next thing I got are these really cute hair clips. I've never really been really into the whole hair clip trend, but I feel like I kind of want to start getting into it. I just think they're so cute. Like, how adorable is that? Especially for a photo too. I also got these because I feel like they're just great to hold your hair back when you're doing your makeup too. Okay, so next thing I got is actually probably one of my favorite things in this whole haul. It's this really adorable black purse. I'm really wanting to get like a good cute bag, but also still affordable, so if something were to happen to it, like when I'm going out, or if something got spilled on it, or if I lost it or whatnot, I wouldn't be too upset. It also has this adorable chain detail on it. You can either wear it like a full body like that, or also like a double chain like this, just to make it a little bit shorter. And also it has all these really nice individual pockets, so you can store a bunch of stuff in there. So love this. I'm gonna be wearing it a ton. Okay, so moving on to shoes. The first pair I got are these really sick pair of black booties. I think these are so hot and so cool. You can't go wrong with like a good classic pair of boots. I feel like Princess Polly also just has the best black booties. They're super cute and also super affordable, which is always nice. Okay, so next pair of shoes I got are these white Supergas. These are also the platform ones. I love these. They give me a little bit of extra height just because I'm super tiny. I'm also like 5'3" if anyone's wondering. So like not that tiny, but it's just nice to get like a little boost of height. So yeah, classic OGs. Okay, so that is everything I got in this clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed and got a little bit of fashion inspo from it. And hopefully you guys liked how I styled everything. And again, major shout out to my Princess Polly fam. You guys are the best. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.